Good morning everyone, Kate here from Faith, Hope and Laundry. I hope you're doing really well. Thank you for joining me today. So I'm doing a little bit of a decluttering series at the moment because I know that it's going to hugely help me and my home and just how sort of the general feeling of my home is. And I thought I would take you along and hopefully it will help out some of you as well, maybe just encourage or inspire you. So last week I did a big bathroom declutter, and you can go back and see that video if you like, but I was actually quite shocked as to how much clutter was in my very small bathroom. So my family at the moment exists of myself and my teenage daughter, and then I have two international students that are living with us for a number of months now as well. But I only have one bathroom and it's a very small bathroom. So yeah, it was just really great to get all of that clutter. It was sort of old makeup and products that are not going to be used anymore, that are just clogging up my drawers that were in there. And then just a lot of rubbish and just things that needed to be recycled. So I think when we start these kind of projects, we can, be quite kind of shocked, as I said, or amazed at what we actually are storing in our homes. And we get to a point where we don't necessarily even see it anymore because it's just kind of in front of us all the time. But I know for sure that feeling when we take, that clutter out of our homes is such a wonderful thing, and it blesses, ourselves, and it blesses our families and our homes when we get that clutter out. So I have got a lot of cords and sort of electrical, maybe not devices. Some of them are electrical devices, but mainly cords and like cables, phone charger cables, things like that I have had in my home for way too long. I don't actually know what most of these cords and cables go to, and for me that's becoming a big sort of issue because I go down to my garage or other areas in my home and I see all these cords, and it's just really getting to the point where I'm starting to feel frustrated by them and causing me a little bit of anxiety because I know that they're just sitting there. They're not being used for anything, and they've been sitting there for years and years actually, the ones in this box, and they're not getting used. So what are they doing? They're just there taking up space. I'm moving them around, and just generally they're not making my my home or my kind of mental space feel very good. I did actually start a little bit of a declutter of them a few weeks ago, and then I thought, this actually might be quite a good video for someone to see. So I have already got these cords in here, but as I said, I did this a few weeks ago, so I will have to just refresh what these actually are and whether they are going to be used in my home, but I'll show you what I've done with these in a moment. So hopefully you will find some inspiration from this video. Go and get all of your own cords from your own home. You'll probably find them in drawers and cupboards and under the bed, maybe different areas. But let's just go through all of these together, and I will show you what I have at the end, and then just go through some of the things that I have decluttered. this is what we now have. It's actually the next day because I needed to give some of these devices time to charge or see if they will actually charge, and just use some of these cords. Sorry about the light, it's only about 7 o'clock in the morning, so I've just had to use this light up here and it's a little bit glary. I'm just switching to voiceover here because, as I said, it was early in the morning and I was kind of mumbling and just not really making sense with what I was saying here. But what I have in front of you on the table here is these little packages that I have put all of the cables into that I am going to declutter, and these are all going to go up to the second-hand store. So for example, this package here has got USB-C ends in them. I think there's a lot of them in there, and I've just grouped sort of like for like, and to the best of my knowledge these cables all work, they all charge, they're not broken, they're still functional, so they will go up to the second-hand store. And then I am pointing to a Kindle here. Now I actually have 2 Kindles that have been just sitting downstairs in my garage for many years, and unfortunately when they were bought we just weren't able to set them up, or it was becoming very difficult to set them up because I think they maybe came from Australia, and I don't know, there was some sort of unusual or difficult process to actually get logged into them. So they have just sat there and not been used. And I just wanted to mention something that Dawn from the Minimal Mum explains in a lot of her videos, and that is the concept of the time will tell bin or time will tell concept. And actually all of these products or cables that you were seeing here do fit into this concept of time will tell. And what it is that you don't know what a particular item goes to, or the cable or the cord fits with, so you'll put it into the time will tell bin and just set it aside, and literally as it says, time will tell whether you actually need that cable or that cord in the future. And you can decide to maybe put it aside for a month, or however long, 2 months, 3 months, and if you haven't used it in that time, then it can be decluttered. So all of these items here are not going to be used. I know I haven't used them for a long time, and they're going to go to the second-hand store. These next devices here are all ones that, sorry, you can hear my dog in the background with her toes on the floor. These are all going to be given back to people. So these 2 devices here actually have been, they were set up by someone else in the family years ago, so they've still got their email addresses and things like that on them, so it's best that they just go back to that person, and they can sort that out, clear the devices, clear the emails, etc. And I've just made sure that they do actually charge, so they've got their charging cables there. This is just a cable that's going to go back to someone, and then this one, I think it's this one or that one. Anyway, this iPad is someone in the families that I borrowed long time ago, and that's going to go back to that person as well. And then these items here, this is my own Kindle that I may set up again another day. This is a Garmin watch charger that I don't know where the watch is, but it is somewhere, so I will find that at some point. This cable here I know goes to my Karcher window cleaner, so I need to keep that. This is a Fitbit watch with its little charger. And then this one I thought I was going to declutter, but this actually belongs to one of my daughter's amps for her music playing. So obviously we're going to keep that. And then all of this here is rubbish. And this is just like recycling rubbish. But in here, and just bearing in mind that this has all been sitting in my garage, just taking up space for literally years. But like this cord here, we had a flood a few years ago, and it was on the floor in the flood, so I don't know why I didn't get rid of that at the time, but it's not safe to use. I've got things that have just got like broken ends to them, so they're never actually going to, you can't really tell that, but yeah, there's just a whole lot of cords in here that are broken, and they are not going to be used, or they don't charge. So why am I actually holding on to them? It's time for them to go. So super chuffed with all of this, and hopefully someone is going to get the use out of all of these products along the front here. Hopefully this has given you some encouragement or some inspiration to go and declutter all of the cords and cables in your own home. I know that I'm super excited to be taking all of these up to the second-hand store. It really is time to get them out of my house for good. I hope you have a super blessed week, and I'll see you again very soon in my next video. Bye.